Hello, welcome to another exciting series. In today's series, we would be solving a practical change of subject question in mathematics. Okay, so let's quickly delve into it. So, make n the subject of the relation. So, our given relation or equation is the fraction 1 over n plus the fraction 35 over n equals the fraction 1 over o, right? So, based upon the preamble of the question, our question states that we should make n the subject of the relation, right? So our given equation is the fraction 1 over n plus the fraction 35 over n equals the fraction 1 over o, right? So what you have to do is to multiply through by the LCM. So the LCM is m and o. So these numbers, m and o, is the number that can enter all the denominators equally, right? Or on equal terms, right? So you multiply each side of the equation with the LCM, which is m and o. So in doing so, we are going to have our new equation to be the fraction 1 over m multiplying m and o plus the fraction 35 over n multiplying m and o equals to the fraction 1 over o multiplying m and o, right? So we do some cancellations here. So this m, okay, will cancel itself one. To cancel the m here, okay, this n will cancel itself one. It will also cancel here, the n there. This o will cancel itself. It will also cancel the o. Yeah, so we are going to have our new equation to be 1 multiplying NO, right? Which is NO, okay? 35 multiplying MO, which is 35 MO, okay, equals 1 multiplying MN, which is MN. So our new equation is NO plus 35 MO equals MN, right? So what we have to do now is to group like terms. We are asked or tasked to make n the subject of the relation. So we group like terms so that the variables with n components will be at one side and those without n components will be on the other side of the equation, right? So in moving, we could realize that NO has an n component, right? And MN has an n component, right? So NO here, right, is on the other half or the left side of the equation, and mn here is also at the right side of the equation. So we maintain mn at the right side of the equation and move no to the other side of the equation. So no here, okay, is a positive number, and when it crosses the equal to sign, it changes its form to become a negative number. Whenever a number crosses the equal to sign in mathematics, it will change its form, right? So if it's a positive number, it will become a negative number. If it's a negative number, it will become a positive number. So this no, which is a positive number, will cross the equal to sign here, okay, the equal to sign here, and become a negative number. So we are going to have our new equation to be 35 mo, because 35 mo is a positive number, positive 35 mo, right? So we maintained it, so, and we shifted no. So our new equation will become m 35mo equals mn minus no, right? So we've gotten our new equation here. Now, you could realize that n is the common factor here, right? So you factor out n, okay? So in doing our factorization, right, which number in the world can multiply n for us to get a positive mn? And the only number is m, okay? Which number in the world can multiply negative no for us, can multiply n for us to get negative no, and that number or variable is only negative o, right? So we are having our new equation to be 35 mo equals n multiplying the factor m minus o, right? So n multiply m minus o is a dependent variable, right? And we want n to become independent so that it will be the subject of the relation. So in doing so, we have to cancel out the variable with the dependent, right? Which is mo. The dependent is mo. So in canceling out, what you do for the left hand side, you do same for the right hand side, right? So we are going to have our new equation to be 35mo, the fraction 35mo over m minus o equals the fraction n multiplying m minus o out of m minus o, right? So m minus o will cancel itself out. M minus o would also cancel the numerator here, leaving n to be 35 mo over m minus o. That's the fraction 35 mo over m minus o, right? So that's our n. Okay, so that's our final answer. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.